Hey guys, we're back for another video. Today I found an app, so that means I can make videos on it. So today we are gonna play Five Nights at Freddy's 3. Alright, let's get started. Sound is pretty good, but too loud. So let's get started. Night 1. Alright, let's get started. Whoa.
Hey, glad you came back for another night. I promise it'll be a lot more interesting this time. We found some great.
Hey guys, we're back for another video. I started the game, but I am in night 1 and Five Nights at Freddy's.
Like the attraction opens in like a week, so we had to make sure everything works and nothing catches on fire.
So I played Five Nights at Freddy's 1 and 2. They're pretty creepy, but never beat them. Never. If you want me to play them, I will. I'll leave a link instead of getting them for to buy them. You can get them for free. I'll leave the link down below. So yeah, check it out.
Now let me tell you about what's new. We found another set of drawings, always nice, and a foxy head, which we think could be authentic.
Creepy.
Then again, it might just be another crappy cosplay. And we found a desk fan, very old school, metal though. So watch the fingers. Right now the place is basically just, flashing lights and spooky props.
I wonder what this is for right here. I wonder.
We don't have something really cool by next week, so we may have to shoot you up in a furry suit.
I haven't played this yet. I barely downloaded it.
But you know, like I said, we're trying
to days ago, but never played it because I was sort of into something else right now on my Xbox.
Like an extra room that got boarded up, or something like that. So we're gonna take a peek and see what we can find. We're gonna just get comfortable with the new setup. You can check the security cameras over to your right with the click of that blue button. You can toggle between the hall cams and the vent cams. Then over to your far left, you can flip up your maintenance panel. Use this to reboot any systems that may go offline.
Telling the truth, because right now it's 4 a.m.
Wow. Vintage, we may have overdone it a bit. Some of this equipment is barely functional.
Say what?
I wasn't joking about the fire. That's a real risk.
What fire?
The most important thing you want to watch for is the ventilation. Look, this place will give you the spooks, man. And if you let that ventilation go offline, then you'll start seeing some crazy stuff, man. Keep that air flowing. Okay, keep an eye on things, and we'll try to have something new for you tomorrow night.
I can't believe that. Right now, so far, the game's pretty good, actually. I like the animations. I like it. Better than the other ones. I wonder. I think they are telling the truth that... Well, what happened? Did I pass? Yes! I passed! I passed! I'm not gonna stop it here because I wanna go to the next night. Alright, guys. Just gonna wait. Just gonna wait. Oh, what happened? What's happening? What's happening? What? Whoa. Oh. Okay. Oh, whoa. Foxy, shit. I mean, mango. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna eat all my parts. Whoa. Okay, I think I got my parts. Let me just go back, actually, because there could be Easter eggs, you know. Well. Oh! Whoa! This is creepy. I can't go over there. Nope. I'm not going that way. Let's see if I can re-go this way. Go. Oh, no. That means I do have to go through that way. And then go guess. I don't feel like going there. Alright, we'll go. Okay, what happened? Oh my god. Oh, great. Ugh. Great.
Hey man, okay, I have some awesome news for you. First of all, we found some vintage audio training cassettes.
Awesome,
Dude, these
doctor.
are like
Pull 'em down.
prehistoric. I think they were like training tapes for like other employees or something like that.
Oh my god,
So,
who
I thought we could like
is that
have
right
them
there?
playing like over the speakers as people walk through the attraction. Dude, that makes us feel legit, man. But I have an even better surprise for you. You're not gonna believe this.
Oh,
I found one. A real one.
Oh, I found him.
Gotta go,
Alright.
man.
Where is he?
Well, look, it's in there somewhere. I'm sure you'll see it. Okay, I'll leave you with some of this great
Whoa,
audio that I found.
whoa,
Talk to you
okay.
later, man.
Good animations. That's actually
Hello. Welcome to your new career as a performer / entertainer for Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Oh my
These tapes will
god.
provide you with much needed information on how to handle / climb into / climb out of mascot costumes. Right now we have 2 specially designed suits that double as both animatronic and suit. So please pay close attention while learning how to operate these suits, as accidents / injuries / death / irreparable and grotesque maiming can occur. First, we'll discuss how to operate the mascots when they are in animatronic form. For ease of operation, the animatronics are set to turn and walk towards sound cues. This is an easy and hands-free approach to making sure the animatronics stay where the children are for maximum entertainment / crowd-pleasing value. To change the animatronics to suit mode, insert and turn firmly the hand crank provided by the manufacturer.
Maybe I
Turning the crank will recoil and compress the animatronic parts around the sides of the suit, providing room to climb inside. Please make sure the spring locks are fastened tight to ensure the animatronic devices remain fixed. We will cover this in more detail in tomorrow's session. Remember to smile. You are the face of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
I don't want you. Anyways, why did he even come back again to work here? Why would he come back? Oh, okay. Oh, found him. Wait. Oh, he's camera 8. So you might move to camera 7, I can tell. Seven. Told you. Hi. I'll move back that way. Okay, what was that? What was that? What was that? Hi. What is that noise? My God. Holy. I heard that. I heard that. Stay away. Oh my God. What the? Oh, there. I'll just keep staring at you for a while. Alright. Hello? I saw you move. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Come on, come on. Get out of there. know, guys. I'm not sure if I can survive much longer. Oh my god. I can't. That pops up. That means I might be serious. That sucks. Oh my god. I can do this. Just do it. Just do it. Oh my god. I did it, guys. Hey guys, I'm gonna end it here, so see you on the next video. Bye.